Welcome to Facebook marketing class once again. Alright, so in this class I'm just teach you how to run messages as within a website. So and you do that, come to All Tools, click on All Tools, click on Ads Manager. Before you run any ads on Facebook, it's very important that you read Facebook ads policy. Go to your new tab, as you said, search for Facebook ads policy, using Facebook ads policy. It's very important to read it. Very important. I'll click on it, so there you have an idea. Your Facebook ads policy. Alright, so let's go back. So this is because I've not run any ads before. This is how you see the page looks like. It's a fresh account, so this is what it's going to look like. So you look at the instruction given, like you get set up to run ads, so confirm field details account. So you need to there's something Facebook wants to confirm before you run ads, so click on. Some of you might not encounter that, some of you might. So click on OK. So it asks you to confirm your page, so click on confirm. So click on All Tools back, go to Ads Manager, So I got to ask initial information they want to use to run focus on politics, so you click on no. So in running ads, there are 3 levels. We have campaigns, we have assets, and we have ads. So your campaigns, you don't have very much to do with your campaigns, but on one of the listing, one of my video, I'm going to teach you some different strategies you can use using your campaigns, assets, and ads, so that you can have more deeper understanding about it. So you click on create, so you're going to create a new ad. And before we move on, so there's something I want you to notice. You look at this now. You stop here. You see, this is an ad account ID. This is another ad account ID. This other account ID is your profile account ID. You understand? What I mean is that, you see, when we started, we created a business manager and we created an ad account. This is your ad account ID you created. And for this ad account ID, because automatically Facebook creates your ad account for you using your profile, using your personal account. So you can use your personal account to run adverts. You understand? Alright, so and one of the ways that you know that okay, you're using your business manager to run account is when you see the road business.facebook.com. But if it's your personal account, you see now, I'll change it now. I'll change it to your account, so this is your profile account. You should see web.facebook.com. So that means that is your personal account. Alright, so you need to go back. Alright, so we'll go back to our account. Back to our account. Alright, so our account. So alright, so click on create. You need to click on create. Click on create. isn't so it's very important that before you run any ads on Facebook, you must know why you want to run ads. Are you running ad for brand awareness or you want to make sales? So, and you must understand that nobody can tell you what is working when it comes to running ads online. Because why? Advertising is about testing and strategy. You have to test what is working for you. You have to know what is working for you. Like I said, one of the videos I'm going to create some particular video now to have a deeper understanding about these areas of this stuff. So choose a campaign objective. You need to choose a campaign objective. You have different campaign objectives. You have brand awareness, show your ads to people who most likely to remember. The reach, show your ads to maximum number of rich people. Traffic is send people to your website, app, or blog, and also come to call you. Engagement is to get beyond page likes, event response, post reactions. Install, so people want to install apps who have apps. Show your ads, show people video ads. So lead generation, okay, for forms and gather. So you want to gather people's information for generations. So show ads to people who send you a message. Conversion, you show ads to people most likely to buy. Catalog sales, it's just like people who have e-commerce website. You use your target audience to show ads to which items of your catalog. So store traffic, show people to most likely your physical store near them. So now the almighty is conversion ads, lead generations. Conversion ads and lead generation. Conversion ads is for sales. Lead generation too, you can use lead generation for sales, but lead generation is that you will be the one to call them. So for conversion, they will click on your ads and they will take it, and they will land on your landing page and they will take you directly to where you are going. Alright, so in this class we are running how to run messages. And click on messages. So click on continue. Click on continue. Alright, so like I said, we have 3 levels, campaign levels, which is campaign, ad sets, and ad. So your campaign, this is what you see in your campaign. Your campaign, this is the name, special ad creatives, categories, the buying type, the message, the objective. So this is the objective. So the spending limits, so AB to text, and campaign budget optimization. Alright, so like I said, how you understand this very properly in one of the videos I'm going to create. So this is objective. You know, your objective will choose. We click on edit now. This is a campaign objective. So this is different campaign objective. So your spending limit, campaign spending limit. So if you want to add a spending limit, okay, like Facebook, I want you to limit my spending, but you can only use spending limit for when you are running A/B test, campaign budget optimization. So if you are doing all about testing, so the first thing you need to do is to change this campaign name. So if based on what you are running, maybe you are selling a product, so name the product. Name the products you are selling. It's teeth whitening. Teeth whitening. So based on what you are selling, teeth whitening. So you click on next. Click on next. So the next thing also is you need to change the name of your ad set soon. So what I do is I don't remove this ad set, and I can just put, so that it will not be long, and I just put teeth ad set so that to remember. So destination, so set up your message and you have people to message you. So what's your ad type? It is click message or sponsor message. So what is trying to say that do you want them to send you a message or sponsor message to engage existing connection? So if you click on, all you need to do is you click to message, so because you want them to message you. So the reason why you and this, because we want to run ads for WhatsApp, You know why this WhatsApp is not active is because we have not connected our WhatsApps to it. I'm not connected on WhatsApp, so our WhatsApp needs to be connected. So the moment your WhatsApp is connected, and it must the app, the WhatsApp you are using must be Facebook Business app, not normal Facebook Business Manager. That's so that should be. So the moment is you are using it, so you click on it, so you untick the messenger. You untick the messenger. So the next thing you are going to do is come. Alright, so the next thing is account. So you're going to ask you to choose your account you want to receive messages. So which is your Facebook page. So we have how many pages? We have two Facebook pages. So we have multiple pages. So you are going to choose the Facebook page you want to send. You want to use for running ads. So budget, there are two types of budget. We have daily budget and have lifetime budget. The daily budget is just for 24 hours. And lifetime budget is when you split your budget to different places. Listen, when you split your budget, so your lifetime budget is when you split your, so this is your daily budget. This is your daily budget. So your daily budget can be, so it's advisable your daily budget should be always with 5,000 naira upward. And if you don't have money that, so you can give it a test to see how your house is doing fine. You understand? So the next thing is, so if I'm running ads, like for example I'm running an ad maybe around maybe afternoon to this today by afternoon. So all I need to do is just the next day I'll change it to 4 a.m. I'll just change the ad to 4 a.m. So start and end date. So I don't need an end date. So you don't need an end date for your ad. So you don't need an end date for your ad. So the next thing I'm going to do is under audience. So which is very very important. So notice, because one of the things is that in each campaign, you see, the thing is that if you are just coming across, or I believe maybe some of you might have come across, you know a little bit about this area, but if you have not, you need to calm down. Don't think maybe you cannot know it, because one thing I used to say is that the moment you are about to learn new things, before your body can be adjusted, so it takes time. So you have to keep practicing. All you need to do is just practice, and you get what I'm saying. Alright, so the next thing is audience. So you need to choose your audience. So because your audience have a very high impact on what you are doing. So what is exclude? Exclude, you are saying that you can exclude some people from seeing your ad. If for example you want to run an ads on you bought a product from Jumia and you want to run the same product, and because you're selling at high price, so you can exclude people who are seeing Jumia products, and you can exclude them. So location is particular state or country you want to target. So as for people who are selling physical products, it's not advisable. It's never advisable for you to run, unless if you have enough money that okay, you can start dispatching to different countries. So, but it's very advisable to start with at least 5 to 6, 7 states. So how do you do that? So this is Nigeria. So click on this cross sign to cancel it. Click on this cross sign. So this is where the road down here where the road search locations. So you click inside and search for locations you want to target. Lagos, type for Lagos. So we look at this now. We have Lagos State, which is city. We have Lagos, Nigeria, which is state. So it's very very important that you click on state. But if there is a particular one, maybe it's city, but because we are targeting all Lagos states, has to be Lagos state. So Abuja, Abuja. So are we targeting all Abuja or the city? Actually, we are targeting all Abuja, which is FCT. FCT, so we are targeting all Abuja. So the next thing is Port Harcourt. I think Port Harcourt is a city. Port Harcourt is a city. So Port Harcourt. So click targeting like that. So the next thing you scroll down, which is the age, based on what you are selling. So please, it's very, very important you create your customer avatar. I think I've created a video on that already. Very, very important you create your customer avatar. You should know a certain age that can buy your product. So it's not everybody's not your customer. So based on your product, so you can just choose from 21 based on your own targeting, based on your audience. Okay, now genders, are you targeting females or you're targeting male? So if it's all about all male, so it's advisable just leave it to all gender, because you don't know who might see your ad and might show it to someone. Alright, so the next thing is detailed targeting. So if it's for WhatsApp, you're not able to edit your detailed targeting. What you'll be telling you that Facebook will only choose your ad for you for brother and all this thing. So they're going to be able to choose your ad for you automatically. So untick reach people beyond your detailed targeting. Untick it. There's something I need to change. So I need to go back up here. So if people living in this location, if the top one is clicked, people living in or recently this location, if this is where your own is, remove it and change it to people living in this location. The reason why is people living in location or recently in this location. If for example I click on your ad and I travel to Abuja and I saw your ad and you send me and you are trying to send me the goods and you don't know, maybe I'm going the next day, and so the moment I'm going the next day, you call me and I realize that okay, I'm going the next day. So just choose people living in this location. So people living in this location. Alright, so you need to scroll down. So detailed targeting, like I said, if it's WhatsApp, you can able to see it. So one of the ways you can do the WhatsApp on is the way what I'm doing right now, because you are sending messages to the WhatsApp. So all you need to do first is to either click Instagram or Messenger so that you can create an audience. So you already know your interests, people you want to target. Based on what you are saying, okay, I'm selling teeth whitening. So let me just parents or so you can click on suggestion, married, in a relationship, open relationship. So only because you just have to know who your audience are. It's very, very important. Very, very important. So you can exclude you can exclude people, some people not to see your ad. You can exclude people not to see your ad. So narrow audience. So what narrow audience does is it helps you to narrow your audience, just like let's see, coming English shoppers. So if you look by your right hand side, so you see estimated audience size is 2 million to 3 million, and 2 million plus to 3 million plus. And that's so they're showing the estimated size of your audience. The estimated size of your audience. So what is narrow audience? Narrow audience is, if you are targeting some specific large audience and you want, what you want to achieve is that you want Facebook to touch the people that you really want to target. If, for example, let's see, this inside this interest, click on narrow, and I said okay, let me say chart. Chart. All right. And I click on child care. Now, okay, people who have baby. Now, out of what, like, out of this interest, these people are targeting that Facebook. What I want to achieve is, I want you to narrow my audience and choose people who are under child care inside this interest. You understand? It's not like when something, a needle is passing through the middle of something. You understand? So it's, you understand what I'm saying? So if you don't understand, please, if you have any questions, just let me know. So when I click on child care, you see that our audience has reduced. So that's what they call narrow audience. Or you can click on, let's say, parents. Let's say parents. You see that? So your audience has been narrowed. So that's what they call how to narrow audience. Alright, so in languages, edit. So let your your language, like that to be English or all English. Alright, so like I said that if it's WhatsApp, you meant to click on WhatsApp, so they will not allow you to choose your audience the way I'm choosing. So the first process you need to pass is you need to click anything on this one. So the first you need to do is what am I saying? Alright, so I got to narrow there. So you need to choose what, either Messenger or Instagram if you are sending message to your WhatsApp. So after you do that, so you click on save audience. Click on save audience to save the audience. So you can name it. Just name it based on your product so I can remember to it widely. Then you click on save. When you click on save, just go back up and click on WhatsApp. When you click on WhatsApp, when you click on WhatsApp, so when you click on WhatsApp, this is where they wrote save audience. Click on save audience. Still loading. Click on save audience like this. You save audience. You see they wrote teeth, so you click on teeth. So your audience has been chosen. So alright, so the next thing is placement. So what's placement? So placement is different platform that Facebook advertise their products on. Different platform where Facebook advertise their products. So we have automatic and we have manual. So automatic is that Facebook is going to automatically run your ads on many on their platforms they are using, which is I think 18 or about 13. So if you click on manual, based on your own budget, so it's our advice to choose manual. So if you look at it now, so you see you have Facebook platform, Instagram platform, audience network. So the audience like that like when you are playing game, when you are watching some certain things online, so you always see it. That's why it's called on network. So Messenger, so Facebook feeds. So you have Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook Marketplace, Facebook Video Feed, Explorer, and so we are only using two. So I need to remove this one, remove this one. So it depends on your budget. Remove this one. So remove this one too. Remove this one too. Remove this one too. This one too. So remove this one. So I'm focusing on Instagram feeds and Facebook feeds. Alright, so the next thing is you click, you scroll down. All these ones, so if you look, we only charge you by impression. So alright, so all you need to do is just click on next. So we are done with our ad set. So the next one is your ad. So your ad is where that's what people will see. You know, when you you can remember when we are spying on other on your computer side. So where you are seeing people ads. So I will change this to tit ad. Change your ad name. Now to change your ad name. So connect your Instagram account. It needs to connect your Instagram account. So ad setup. So anytime you want to run any ad on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, the first thing you need to do is to post the product first on your page. That I advise you to do that. Very, very advisable, 100% advisable to do that. So you can create an ad or use an existing post. So you click on use an existing post, and going to ask you to select the post. Select the post you want to use. So they're going to tell you to select the post you want to use. Then you click on using existing post. So after clicking on this post, so click on the using it asks you to select post. You see that. So any so all you need to do is just choose that's so because the reason why we don't have any pictures here because I'm not posted anything. So you need to remember to connect your Instagram account. So create an ad. So the format for creating an ad is single image or video or carousel. So your carousel is when you had more than 2 pictures, single image or video. So you click on add media. Click on add media. Click on upload. Click on upload. So if what you are the image you want you are using either is video or anything, so just click on it. So click on the image. So you click on open. Click on the image and click on open. If it's video, so you do the same thing. Then as you click on next. Click on next. Click on this and click on done. So if you look by your right hand side, so you see Facebook feeds, Instagram feed. So your primary text, which is very, very important. Your primary text is very, very important because that's what capture your customers. Alright, so one of the ways you can write you can write this in a primary text. There's a website called writesonic.com. writesonic.com. So you need to sign up first. I've signed up before. writesonic.com, sign in. So let me reverse. I don't want to waste much time on this. So your first headline should be new, and just you have to be captured new teeth whitening. New teeth whitening. Whitening. New teeth whitening for you and your family. And going to write, so do you know that research shows many people shows that 90% of people, so blah 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 blah. So what your parameters need to contain is your problem, your pain point, and your call to action, and the benefit of your product. And that's a benefit. So it helps blah 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 to it helps blah blah blah. So like that. So I need to just say, okay, click the order now button now. So you can put your phone number, and the action button also is important. So your airline can be price 1,000. So if you look at it here, you see your parameters, you see your price. $1,000, or I said this offer lasts for 48 hours. So that's for the airline. So the call to action button is very very important. The description is optional. Also you can add some little things to it. So a call to action, either you sign up, is based on what you are selling. Other than can be physical product shop now. So the other one can be for other things. So you just understand the call to action button. So I'm going to ask you to create a template or generate it. So you are creating a template. So I think for Facebook it's different, for WhatsApp on it's different. So I think it's the same thing, sure, with the WhatsApp on. So text only. So what is the text that you want them to send to you? Okay, so you're going to edit the text. So hello. Temtayo, excuse me. I would like to purchase teeth whitening. Hello Temtayo, I would like to purchase teeth whitening products. So customer. So the moment you are done, so all you need to do is just click on so you need to copy this, let's put it in the question box. Put it in the question box. So we need to cancel this ones. Cancel this ones. So the moment you are done, so all you need to do is just click on save and finish. Now you click on save and finish. So like I said, select your Instagram. So now you click on save and finish. So you click on publish. Alright, so if you have any questions, let me know. So see you in the next class.